Hey everyone, welcome back to This Explained. Today, we're diving into XRP, the cryptocurrency that's been on fire in 2025. As of July 19th, XRP is trading around $3.42, up over 300% year to date, with a market cap of about $203 billion. But why is it pumping right now? And could it really skyrocket higher? Maybe even flipping Ethereum to become the #2 crypto by market cap. Let's break it down with the facts, data, and expert insights. Stick around. First off, let's talk about the current surge. XRP hit a new all-time high of $3.65 just days ago, up 10 to 20% in the last week alone. Here's why it's happening. Regulatory clarity and wins. Ripple's long battle with the SEC ended favorably earlier this year, confirming XRP isn't a security. This has unleashed pent-up demand. New U.S. crypto laws under the Trump administration, like tax exemptions and strategic reserves, are fueling momentum. Analysts at finance magnates say this has driven XRP to 7-week highs in July. ETF inflows and institutional hype. Spot XRP ETFs launched this week, with massive inflows, over $717 million in one day alone, led by BlackRock. Broker platforms like Fidelity are listing them, potentially unlocking $4 to $8 billion more. Standard Chartered predicts this could push XRP to $5.50 by year-end. Whales are piling in too. SharpLink just bought $115 million in ETH but is eyeing XRP plays, and active XRPL accounts jumped 60% from 32,000 to 32,000 since June. Technical breakouts and market momentum. XRP broke key resistance at 3 with daily transactions hitting 2 million, up from 1.3 million. It's riding the broader bull run, with Bitcoin at $120 and total crypto market cap at $4 trillion. High funding rates show traders betting big on more upside per market pulse. Real-world adoption. RippleNet is expanding with banks like Santander for cross-border payments. The RLUSD stablecoin launch and ISO 2022 adoption by the Fed are boosting utility. Posts from experts like SMQKDDQG highlight how XRP's deflationary supply, no mining, constant burns, will drive prices higher as demand grows. In short, it's a perfect storm of regs, money flows, and tech, turning XRP from a sidelined asset to a top performer. Now, looking ahead, does XRP have the juice to go much higher? Experts say yes, with projections ranging from $4 to $5 short-term to 10 to 20 plus by 2028. Here's why it could explode. Explosive growth catalysts. More ETFs, Ripple's potential U.S. bank charter, and partnerships in tokenization, e.g. 100 quadrillion derivatives market. If XRP captures even 1% of Swift's $150 trillion flows, prices could multiply. Deflationary mechanics like token burns and limited supply mean rising demand equals rising value. Bullish predictions. Changelly sees XRP at $3.85's average in 2025, but CoinCentral and Coinpedia forecast $4.50, driven by ETF hype and IPO rumors. Extreme bulls like Ripple Queen on X predict $1,000 long-term based on global adoption. Even Elon Musk's Grok AI eyes $400 in a Super Bowl scenario. But could XRP flip Ethereum for #2 net cap? Ethereum's at $43 billion today, with ETH around $3,565. To flip it, XRP needs a mem cap over 430 BUs. That's about $730 per XRP at current supply. Analysts at Being Crypto and Crypto News say it's possible by 2025-2028. XRP's edge: faster, cheaper transactions, 3 to 5 seconds, for only 2 fees, versus ETH's higher gas. XRP dominates payments in CBDC bridges, 50-plus countries, while ETH leads smart contracts. But with tokenization and DeFi on XRPL, e.g. AMMs, XRP could grow faster. Standard Chartered predicts XRP at $5.50 and cap $320 while ETH stalls at $4,000, close enough for a flip if ETH underperforms. The flip scenario. If XRP hits $12.50 by 2028, per some forecasts, MCAP could top $700, surpassing ETH unless it rallies hard. Projections ETH to 6+ in 2025. Divergent paths. XRP's payments focus versus ETH's ecosystem give XRP the momentum edge in a pro-crypto policy world. XRP's surge is real, driven by regs, ETFs, and adoption, and its potential to flip ETH. It's not impossible in this bull market. What do you think? $5 by year-end or higher? Drop your predictions below, hit like if you're bullish, and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you next time.